Okay, this is the rear propane tank. As you can see, the trailer is a licensed and titled trailer. You take the clamshell baskets, stainless steel ones, with the grill expanded metal inside, 2 pieces per basket. Set them on the forks, which are perpendicular from each other on both sides. And the chain that is moving fast is what will rotate the basket. Once it drops off of this lip right here, it'll hit down into this chain, and this gear drive will rotate the basket in a circular motion. Drives from this end all the way to the front, through the flyer. You can raise and lower the hood for heat. Now it will drive up these forks slowly and come up here, and as you can see, this here is graduated in an uphill situation, so it will actually bring the basket pretty much off. Set it up here, open the basket up, remove the meats, spice it as you need, put it in barbecue sauce, whatever you choose. Now these are legs that are stabilizers that will drop down on either side by pulling this pin and then reinserting it, and I'll hold it in place. You have a 50-gallon water tank up front. This is how you raise and lower the hood or lock it in. These 4 of these posts located around. Obviously it's tandem axle. This is your pulley system. Now the basket just dropped onto the rotisserie chain, and you can see how it spins as it's moving forward. Now, as I said, by raising and lowering this hood, you can create more heat or less heat, more smoke, less smoke. It works really, really well. We also have these banner posts on each end, so you can have a large banner that stretches all the way out over the hood, and to advertise your business. It's approximately a 40-minute or so ride to the front, give or take. Here's your rear tank faucet. It has a filler on the other side. Propane tank regulators, 100-pound tank on the back, 100-pound tank on the front. There is 6 burners. 3 for the back tank and 3 for the front tank. They are manual light, so you just take a long barbecue type lighter and stick it down in there and light it up. The others will follow. You can run just a 3 in the back, or all 6 of them, or just a 3 in the front. Depends on what size of catering situation you might be into. Here's your power box. Other faucet for the front tank. As you can see, there is a stainless steel cover for the front. That is to keep all the motor and everything out of the way. You have a travel box for keeping locks and things like that in, or chains or whatever you might need, cords. You have a basket right here that you can also put stuff in. This is your front propane tank. This is where all the chains and everything are. Naturally, they need to be oiled up. They're not too bad the way they are, no. Okay, like I said, you will get 15 of these baskets, 30 of the expanded metal. Here's the expanded metal that goes inside of the baskets. It's been shaped accordingly, cut and shaped accordingly to fit in the baskets properly. There is these flip around clips that catches each other, so it clamshells the whole thing together. You also get a storage stainless steel trough for storing the baskets. Here's the hood. The trailer is 19 feet long, 7 foot 4 inches wide at the fenders. The firebox is 54 inches by 8 feet. Right here is a stainless steel drip plate for your barbecue sauces or anything you may put on it. Will kind of fall into there as you first set the basket. As you can see, it's still rolling. We're about 6 minutes in from this point to this point. So based on that, we basically are going to have 12, 18, 24, 30, 34, 38, about 40 minutes. This red lava type rock was added just so it kind of gives you that grill smoky flavor. So there's a few leaves that's blown in up underneath here. We had a bad windstorm yesterday, so basically that'll burn right off from the first startup of the fire. The neat thing about having a rotisserie type unit like this is you get the really good smoky flavor, but the meats do not stay right in the heat in one spot, creating it to burn up. It's a continual movement, as you can see by the basket moving here. Any questions, feel free to give me a call, 503-935-6266. I have 2 of these units. They're both exactly the same, and I'm going to sell both of them.